good morning. Ayan yung adobo chicken feet. Adobo yan. Inano ko sa itlog sa breadcrumbs. Ipa-fry natin later. Ayan, so guys, time check 4:30 in the morning. Prepare na ako ng food natin. Magsasangag tayo guys. Mixed vegetable, egg, sibuyas, bawang, beef burger, hot dog. Muna natin yung chicken feet adobo. One down, chicken feet adobo, fried chicken done. Magsangag tayo, maraming bawang. Yung sauce guys, lagay natin ng kaunti. Ibisa ko muna yung gulay. I added burger, beef, skin, sausage, eggs, and mix all together. Add rice. So yummy na guys. Done ang ating sinangag with fried chicken feet adobo. Bye for now. Have a nice day.